here. In today's video, I'll show you how to make calls from your Google Pixel Watch 2nd. Let's get started. As a first step, we would need to click on this digital crown to open app list and then scroll down until you'll find an app which is named Phone. Here is it. Click on it and here you'd be able to see 4 tabs, which is your favorite contacts, recent callers, your saved contacts, and dial pad, in which you can type in any number. So for example, let's try to call someone from my recents, and here I have my friend Linda. I will click on this tab, which you can see, and the call will start immediately. Here you'll have some options as keypad or volume by clicking on these 3 dots, hang up the call by clicking on this red phone, and also mute the microphone, which you can see on the left edge. Now let's hang up. And that's it. Now you know how to make calls from your Google Pixel Watch 2nd. And that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching.